Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is Abhijit and welcome back to my channel again. And in this video I am gonna teach you that how to draw realistic hairs. Although a lot of artists have made video about that, but in this video the secret tips that I will tell you, hardly any YouTuber would have told you that. So let's talk about tips number 1. First you have to observe the direction of hair from the reference image. Then you have to draw stroke on the papers according to the direction of the hair using some light pencil like HB and 2H. Then we have to observe the light, dark and highlight stroke from the reference. Then using any dark pencil we have to dark the strokes. Then we have to blend it using any blending tools. Then simply using mechanical eraser and edges of the eraser we can give highlight according to the reference. I am using Apsara mechanical eraser. You can use any brand's eraser as you like. Using the same trick I am gonna draw the left side hair, and remember one thing, we have to draw the strokes smoothly and slowly, something like this. Here I am gonna draw the strokes using the same method. First I am gonna draw the simple dark hairs using the 6B pencil with apply light pressure. Then simply I have drawn the outline using HB pencil, and this area is the dark areas of the hairs. By this I can know that where I have to use the dark strokes and where I have to use the light strokes. Always use a light pencil to mark the dark area and light area. I have drawn the dark stroke using dark pencil with the flow. We have to just maintain the flow. And remember, don't forget to leave the highlight. Then blend it using any blending tools as you like. Then give the highlight using the mechanical eraser, because without highlights it does not look good. In the previous video I have drawn the side cupboard. If you still have not watched this video, so please watch this video from the end screen and comment me how is this video. Hope this video is helpful for you all. If this video is helpful, so please click the like button and share this video with your friends. I shall meet with you in an interesting video. Until, keep practice, keep improving, and thank you so much for watching.